is a public service announcement brought to you by The Name I Wanted Was Taken about common sense with cars. This is Steve. He has common sense.
This is Bob. He has no common sense at all because he's too poor to afford it.
This is how Steve opens a car door.
And this is how Bob opens the car door.
This is how Steve gets in the car.
This is how Bob gets in the car.
This is how Steve buckles his seatbelt.
This is how Bob buckles the seatbelt.
This is how Steve shuts the door.
This is how Bob closes the door.
If Steve had a baby, this is how he would put a car carrier in.
If Bob had a baby, this is how he would put in a car seat.
If Steve had a baby, here's how he would take out a carrier.
If Bob had a baby, this is how he would take out a car seat.
This is how Steve holds the driver's wheel.
This is how Bob holds the steering wheel.
This is how Steve gets out of a car.
This is how Bob gets out of a car.